Hello and welcome to another day in Teresa land. So this happened yesterday. So now I get to try to fix it because I'm not replacing all of this. Anyway, it was already kind of loose and then a storm came through yesterday afternoon and just took the whole thing down. It was actually laying flat that way against the bushes. So I just pulled it in so I didn't get yelled at by the HOA. So anyway, let's attempt to fix this. I went to Home Depot and got some brackets and screws, so hopefully that will do the trick for now. So yay, this episode's off to a great start. Woohoo! Let's also try to not get stung by a hornet. Got these brackets. This is gonna have to do because that's all I could find that was flat at Home Depot. These screws fit in. Yeah, okay. Everything was guesswork yesterday at Home Depot. So, all right, let's see what happens now. Got my pink screwdriver. All right, wish me luck. Something that's a two-person job by myself.
Oh, like always.
Yeah. My lattice fell down yesterday.
Oh, yeah, it's been broken for a while.
Yeah, it finally fell all the way yesterday. I'm trying to fix it.
It's just a one-person job. You tie a rope around it, take the car, and go boom. It's gone.
That's a good idea.
You're going to try and fix it back up?
Yeah. If it doesn't work, then I guess we'll just have a big window.
Well, you can see where I used to have my shed underneath the back bar.
Oh, yeah.
The shed I got out behind it. And then I said, you know what? That blocks that whole side.
Yeah.
It blocks all our light. Oh.
If I can't do it, I'm just going to improvise later. pretty heavy. guess I could try. We'll see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. Not to mention hornets like to fly around here. For some reason they like my carport, and I don't like that they like my carport. I think they need to go die. Thanks. Separate it. Alright, so I'm going to try to take the top part off the bottom part and then put them back up separately, because then it might not be as heavy. So let's try that. The stool's not cutting it. Baby lizard. Isn't that the cutest? So tiny. Hi, little baby. Hi, you gonna help me? Can you lift one end and I'll lift the other end? Yeah? Oh, thanks. You're such a good friend. help. Making it worse. Excuse me, little buddy. I need to lift this. The lizard's still on it. There you go. I dropped my screws. Over the ground. The birds are laughing at me. I think this is a two-person job. I can't hold it up and make sure it's evenly spaced and screw it in at the same time by myself. So I'm gonna wait for Todd to get home or see if someone else can help me. So I was trying to be like the hero and do it all myself. But sometimes you just need to ask for help, and today's one of those days. So I'm just gonna leave this for now and get someone to help me. I'm stubborn. So I'm gonna figure this out one way or another. I might have to take the whole thing apart and rebuild it from the beginning, but I'm at least gonna try. I don't know why these screws won't go through this wood. The wood's not even really thick and it's old wood, so it should go through easy, but it's just not going through it at all. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm taking a break. I'm gonna have lunch because I'm gonna have a heat stroke. This is, if the screws would go in, it wouldn't be as hard as it is. But I screw the screws and they fall. Then I screw the next one and it falls. And then it falls. And I'm just done for now. Excuse me as I die. Tell my mother I love her. Anyway, yeah, lunch break. And then maybe I'll re-tackle it after. But right now, I need a break. It's hot out. Trying to do anything in the middle of the day in Florida in the summertime is usually not the best idea. But anyway, we'll get it done. It's just right now I need to just say, I went looking for nails, thinking I could just like get a hammer and a nail and just nail it in. But the only nails I have are really tiny, kind of useless nails. So, and everything else I have is a screw. So that's that. But we'll get this done. This whole episode is just going to be me trying to fix this stupid lattice. So enjoy the comedy show. And if you have any like advice, let me know. Because maybe I might want to change it all up sometime, but not right now. But if you have any design inspiration on how I could change it and make it more interesting than just lattice, let me know. I don't want to keep it open. I like having the privacy. Not that my next door neighbors are like weird and nosy, because they're not. They're actually really cool. But, you know, I like having that extra privacy and then being able to hang stuff on it, like lights and whatnot. So I have lights up there, but now they're down because the lattice is down. So much for that. But yeah, anyway, this video is just going to be a mishmash of me trying to fix my stupid lattice. Hey, I got all this time on my hands. I got plenty of other projects around this house that need to get done that I will be taking you along for. So, like my bathroom ceiling that's damaged from a leak. So we'll be fixing that too. I am going to get a handyman for some things that I'm not like equipped for, but I'm going to try to do as much of at least the little things that I can myself. So, yeah, anyway, I'll catch up with you after lunch. This is as far as I got. Then I took a break, and then I took a shower, and now it's raining out, so we will finish this tomorrow. Well, I don't know if we'll finish it, but we will pick it up where we left off. Hello, and welcome back to day 2 of trying to fix my stupid lattice. So, yesterday, I could not get the screws to go in to the top board. So I'm gonna pre-drill them now, and hopefully that'll work. So wish me luck. So I ended up tying the bottom part up just to keep it off the ground. I took this apart. Gotta put it back together as I'm attaching it. got to be the thickest wood on earth. It's like barely gone through. This wood must be made of petrified something. Petrified redwood, that's what it is. I don't know. Success. Finally got the screws in. Now I have to attach these. And then all of this. So this should be an all-day project. So I put the board a little too far over to the right. So the lattice doesn't quite fill the space now. And it's not lining up with the bottom board. So ask me if I care, because I don't. I'm about ready to just chuck it all and just leave it open for now. Because this is aggravating already and I'm just getting started. I'm just starting. Do I have the energy for this today? No. Am I a handyman? Also no. I feel like I need all new wood and all new lattice because it's a mess. I mean, look at it. I'm supposed to connect this to that, to this, and up top. And look. Hold on, let me zoom out so you can see just how off center. Well, it's hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. Ooh, what is that? That is a spider that I don't want to touch. Eek. What are you doing? Hi. You're creepy. No offense. I definitely don't want to touch. I don't want to touch you. See, that's the other thing. I live in creepy Bugville. And we have a lot of weird spiders. I don't want to mess. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to mess with it. So I'm just gonna have to give up on this for now and do something else because this is stupid. I can't get the measurements right. I can barely drill into this wood for some reason. It's like petrified, and this lattice is just trashed. I already had this side rebuilt because this got damaged in Hurricane Milton. And now I have to have this rebuilt. And I really wanted to do it myself because I'm really trying to be more independent and more self-sufficient. But I also have no patience for anything anymore. I have no patience. Help me. So anyway, I know this was a very exciting episode, but we'll get it done. It just might not be me doing it. I might have to get somebody that knows what the heck they're doing, because it ain't me. Okay. Anyway, I just think I need to get new lattice. New lattice, because this lattice is just beat. So I have to go to Home Depot and invest in some more Lattice, which it's not that expensive. It's just, I don't know. We'll see. Just gotta fit it in my car. All right, on that note, let's just end this shenanigans and go do laundry today. Oh, and I already dropped a couple of screws down here in the bushes, and I'm not going to dig them out. Okay, so my husband's cousin's husband is coming over to help me with the Lattice because I pretty much gave up on doing it myself. You know those YouTube women that can like build a house all by themselves? Well, I am not that person. I want to be, I'm not. It's a pipe dream, whatever. I can do little things. Anyway, he's coming over to help me. He's very tall and he can reach things and he's very handy. He knows how to do stuff. So he's coming to help. And yeah, hopefully we'll get it done today. I don't think it will take too long with 2 people. It'll take forever with just me, but with 2 of us, it should be a lot faster. So I changed my shirt though, because my other one, a little too much cleavage going on. We don't need to be sharing that. So anyway, I don't know if he's gonna want to be on camera though. So I probably won't film him helping me, but just know that's what's happening. I'll show you the after when it's done. All right. We're getting there. We are getting there. And it's done. It took him an hour. It would have took me all week to try to do it myself. So thank God for Bob to the rescue. You know, I hate asking for help because I feel like I'm bothering people. So I like to try to do everything by myself. But sometimes you just have to ask for help. And I'm glad I did because now it's done and I don't have to worry about it. Anyway, I know that was an exciting episode for you. And the moral of the story is, don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Don't try to do it all by yourself. Sometimes you just need an extra person or 2 to help you out. And if we could all just help each other out and just be good friends to each other, that would make the world a better place. So that's it for this episode. I was looking to fold laundry, make dinner, and then pass out and die. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.